Hey everyone, now I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sell your digital products on System.io. First, after you log into System.io, you go to your website and click on Sales Funnels. Okay, now you're here, click on Create. Okay, so name this funnel whatever your product is. So I'm gonna call it Wedding Planner. For the domain, just let it be. And for the funnel goal, just choose Sell because you want to sell your product. And for the currency, just use whatever you want, but for me, I'm gonna be using USD. Okay, click on Save. Okay, so now you've made your funnel and click on it. Okay, click Add Step. Call it Sales Page. Change this to Sales Page as well and click Save. Okay, now you're here, you can choose whatever template you like. I'm gonna choose one real quick. I'm gonna choose this one. Select. Okay, now you're here, click on Edit Page. Okay, so here you can customize everything here, including these elements here, all of this. So for example, I'm just gonna delete this, delete that. Okay, I'm gonna double click this and I'm gonna change the text. Want to avoid wedding hassle. Okay, now I'm gonna click on this button. This is very important, guys. You need to change this into submit form. Okay, let this one be. And if you want to change the text, you can just go down here and change the text here. By now. Alright. Okay, so now you're done. Click on Save Changes. And head out. Okay. Alright, now you can just drag this all the way to the top. And click on Order Form. Now you're here. Quickly choose a template. For me, I'm just gonna pick this one. Or actually, I'm gonna pick this one. This is very simple. Okay, now you can just go down here, click on digital products, and click on this plus icon here, and also click on this price plans. Alright, and also create a new one. Alright, now call this your products wedding planner. For me, okay, I'm just gonna copy this real quick. Copy here, and copy here. Alright, I'm gonna make it one-time payment instead of subscription or payment plan. Okay, so payment amount is basically the price of your product. I'm gonna make it $10 and I'm just gonna save it. Okay, so now you saved it. Now you go up and click on Edit Page. Okay, like I said, you can just customize everything here if you want. For me, I'm just gonna delete these. I don't really need these. Okay, delete all this, delete the unnecessary stuffs. Alright, here you go. Delete this as well. Alright, now you're happy with it. You can just change the button. Actually, I'm just gonna change it. I'm gonna change the text into Buy Now. Okay, now you're done. Okay, now you're done. You can just click Save and head out. Alright, okay, now you go to Automation Rules and click on Add Rule. Okay, trigger. Click on New Sale. Okay, make this wedding planner and make this order form. Okay, just don't touch it at all. Okay, so now you go to Action, click the plus icon and click Add Tag. If you don't have any tag, you can just type it like buyer 1 or buyer 2, but I've made it already, so I'm just gonna click this. Okay, so also if you have a custom domain or custom email, you can click on this, subscribe to campaign, and you can actually just make a new campaign here. Actually, let me just show you real quick. If you have your custom email, you can go to Emails, Campaigns. You can click on Create. So whenever someone buys your products, they will get a email, I guess. You can call this like Wedding Planner email. And if you have a domain name or a custom email, you can type it here. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Now you got yourself a sales funnel. And yeah, that's it for today. If you have any questions, leave down in the comments below. I'll try to answer all of it. And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone.